Hello guys, welcome to our channel Take 9 and in this video I'm going to teach you how can we create a new partition in our hard drive. Okay. And this is a Windows 10 and the same process goes to the other Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 also. As you can see here in my computer, I have two partitions C and D. Okay. And I want to create a new partition from this D drive. And for this, go to Start menu and type create and format hard disk partitions. Just click on it. And then you can see the two partitions CD and the other is system reserved, okay, which is a 500 MB and we can't access that drive, that's system reserved. And I want to create new partition from the free space of this D drive. So for this, right click and go to shrink volume. Suppose if I want to create a partition of 15 GB space, so I have to convert 15 GB into MB first, okay, because I have to enter the space in MB. So to convert 15 GB into MB, okay, we need to do a simple calculation. For this, open calculator and multiply 15 with 1024 and we'll get 15360. okay, so that means 15360 MB is equal to 15 GB. So 15360. Okay, and then click on shrink. Okay, now you can see 15 GB unallocated. So we will create a new partition from this unallocated space. Okay, right click on it and then new simple volume. Okay, next. Okay, just enter the space. Next, and you can change the drive letter. Okay, C, D, E. I want to set it E, or you can set other letters also. Then next, and there's a name for the volume label. Suppose I want to rename it, let's say collection 2. Okay, and then next, finish. Now you can see the new volume collection 2 is created. You can see from here. Okay, there's collection 2 and which is a 14.9 GB space, and that's equal to 15 GB approximately. Okay, we can store files on this new collection partition here, and in this way we can create a new partition in our hard drive. Okay, and friends, this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.